It was great. I mean, you do it all to have a great fan experience, great player experience. I thought the Halloween, the trunk or treat, the sororities and fraternities did was unbelievable. Tons of kids, and tons of kids on the corridor trick-or-treating. So that's what it's about. I thought it was just a good family night.
I loved it. I loved it. I mean, we had a good crowd here. We had a lot of excitement. The kids they were loose. You know, everything that could have been, we got out of it.